Open your browser. Step first, find image on website. Write here website name, FreePic, and press enter. Click on the first site link. Type your word here to find your image. I want to find this type image. Now click on search button. Find the image you want to create an image similar to. I want this image. This image is premium. I'm not premium member, so I will take a screenshot of this image. Now press Shift plus Window plus S to taking screenshot. Make selection of this image. Now click on the pop-up. Click on the Save icon. Click on Save button. Now close this page. Step 2, generate image RE prompt. Create new tab. Type here ChatGPT and press enter. Click on the first link. Click on the Start Now. Click on the Login button to log in. Log in with your any account and complete the login process. When your login process is complete, you will come to this page. Click on the Attach File. Now click on the Upload from Computer. Select Image and click on Open. You can copy this text to generate RE prompt. This text available in description box. Now click on the arrow button. Now make selection. Right-click and click on Copy. You can copy this prompt from description box. Step 3, generate AI image from prompt. Create new tab. Type here Adobe Firefly. Press enter. Click on the AI image generator. Click on Generate Image now. Now paste here the prompt. Click on the Generate button. Sign in with your any account and complete the sign-in process. You can check user guidelines and click on Agree button. Now again click on Generate button. Wait for some time to generate the image. Now time to play with some settings. There are some sizes available. You can choose any one. There are some composition here. There are some effect here, but I'm selecting digital art. Now add reference. Click on Upload Image, select Image and click on Open. Click on Continue button. Again upload image. Now click on the Generate button. Wait for some time to generate the image. Click here to download the all images. If you want to download single image, then click here. Now generate another image. Write the name of any fruit here. Make selection of the fruit name. Press Ctrl+C to copy fruit name. Find the fruit name and replace. Make selection of the fruit name and press Ctrl+V to paste. Find the all fruit name and paste new fruit name. After changing the fruit name, click on Generate button. Before generating another image, download the generated image, otherwise you may lose the image. You can follow the same process and generate another image. I'm editing something in the prompt, like a change background color orange to green. Add some ingredients. Now download image. To be continue. To create this type social media post. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.